This is why you need these prompts to ace your commerce studies. Get ready to level up. Here are 5 smart learning prompts for commerce students that will blow your mind. First up, analyze the impact of globalization on small and medium-sized enterprises. How does it shape their competitiveness in local and international markets? Think big and small. Next, discuss the role of financial statements in business decision-making. Balance sheets, income statements, and cash flow statements. What's the story they tell? Third, examine how supply and demand shape market economies. Got any real-world examples where shifts in supply or demand have changed prices? Spill the tea. Fourth, explore the evolution of digital payment systems. From mobile payments to cryptocurrencies, how are they transforming commerce as we know it? Lastly, evaluate the importance of corporate social responsibility in today's business world. How does a company's CSR strategy influence consumer perception and profitability? These prompts are your ticket to mastering commerce concepts in the real world. Keep learning and stay curious. Catch you next time.